Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Nachi Sinha. I'm back with the fourth video of the codependent relationship series. Now, in my previous videos, I've talked about the signs of codependency, how to fix a codependent relationship, and the underlying causes of codependency. Today, we're going to talk about some effective measures to stop being codependent. If you feel either that you or your partner has codependency tendencies, then these measures will help you overcome them. So, without further ado, here we go. Number 1, understand the triggers. The first thing is to identify the type of codependent partner you are. Now, are you the one who needs attention, love, or care? Or are you the one who loves stepping and taking care of your partner? So once you've identified yourself, your next step is going to be to evaluate things which make you yearn for your partner, or which things compel you to take extra care of them. For example, a needy partner might become anxious and need a partner if they need to make an important decision. So the person kind of becomes restless and underconfident about the situation, and they'll want the partner to be on their side during uncomfortable situations such as that. And similarly, the caregiving partner might be compelled to take care of the partner, as they're afraid about what would happen if they didn't. Sit with your partner and discuss the triggers, and think about how you both would react in a situation like that. So the needy partner can decide that they will not panic and try to find a solution on their own before they contact the partner. On the other hand, the caretaking partner can decide that they'll control their urge to manage everything. So identifying triggers is one of the best ways to control the codependent attitude in the relationship. Number 2, understand the cause of codependency. Now, understanding the cause of a behavioral issue sort of makes it easy to solve it, or to unlearn it, so to speak, if it's a bad behavior, which in this case it is. So, as I talked about in my previous video, codependency is often the result of unhealthy parenting, bitter experiences in a relationship, or severe bullying by friends or colleagues. You must analyze your own behavior and discover its underlying cause, in the way that it impacts you. For example, a partner might be codependent because they were abused in their past relationship. The partner in the past made them feel incapable of handling things and not worthy of love. So even though they moved on from that abusive relationship, but even in this new relationship, they're unable to navigate things on their own and need their partner to be there with them constantly. So when you have understood the cause behind your codependent nature, you can't just stop with that. You've got to work on it. For example, if guilt drives you to be extra protective of your partner and forget about your own needs, you need to deal with your guilt. Talk to yourself and explain that whatever happened in the past really wasn't your fault. Thinking about your needs and putting yourself first and caring about yourself is not a dirty thing. And it's not selfishness. Now, if you are unable to, detect the cause or find a solution on your own, then don't forget, these are difficult things to do. So reaching out for help, to a counselor, therapist, your doctor, psychiatrist, this is is an excellent idea. So don't sort of give up because you can't seem to get it, or what the cause was. Keep asking for it, keep looking for answers. Number 3, learn more about healthy relationship. Now, a codependent relationship looks perfect in the beginning. One partner is needy, the other is extra caring and providing. I mean, what more could you ask for, right? Except now we know that's not how it should be. So the imbalance of this power dynamic is unhealthy for both partners in that relationship. The needy partner's confidence and self-esteem will always stay grounded at the lowest possible. They won't grow as a person or explore different solutions to the problems they face. On the other hand, the caregiver, the caregiving partner will neglect their own needs and suffer mentally and emotionally. Consequently, the relationship will become a burden and not enjoyable anymore. So it no longer stays a relationship. It becomes an obligation, a job. Now, one of the simplest ways to stop being codependent and free yourself from such a relationship is to observe healthy relationships and learn more about them. Now, in a healthy relationship, partners are not dependent on each other to validate their feelings or always emotionally support them. A healthy relationship is where both partners play their part without being too needy or too overprotective. So seeing the dynamics of a healthy relationship, around you, socially and so on and so forth, or maybe with the help of your therapist, will help you apply the same principles in your relationship too. And will allow you once again to unlearn some of these negative habits which you've picked up because of no fault of your own. And we all need support. So getting the support of someone to help pick up new and healthy habits is a good idea. And number 4, establish boundaries. Now, suppose you feel that you need your partner too much, or let's say you have the constant urge to help your partner. In that case, you have to sit together and create boundaries for yourself and communicate them to each other. Just creating boundaries in your mind and not talking about it, it's not going to help. In the same way, just creating boundaries, communicating, and then not adhering to it is not going to help either. So let's look at an example. Suppose a boyfriend wants their girlfriend to always be there for them. On the other hand, the girlfriend is always ready to help and doesn't let the boyfriend take care of himself. So the partners can sit together and communicate their own boundaries. The girl can create a boundary that she will not spend her entire day, or bail out on her friends to spend time with her partner. Similarly, the guy can create boundaries that he won't accept his girlfriend's help in every matter, or that he will try to make decisions by himself. Now, having a proper set of boundaries works wonders for every relationship. It also prevents many problems from arising. Establishing boundaries and then communicating with your partner about these boundaries makes a relationship respectful, happy, peaceful, and transparent for both parties. Number 5, engage yourself in something you love. Now, spending time with your partner is good, but anything that is more than required is far from good. And to break the need to always be there for your partner or always needing them, try busying yourself with something you love. Now, you can watch your favorite movies, go out shopping, meet your friends, or do anything that puts your mind away from your partner. Initially, it will be tough. Once again, you're trying to unlearn a habit. You will experience, your kind of mind wandering off to your partner. You will sort of crave their presence or become anxious about what they're doing or if they need any help. And brush off these thoughts and bring yourself back and live in the moment. Now, after doing this for some time, you'll feel more relaxed and comfortable even without your partner. And hopefully you will free yourself from the shackles of a codependent attitude. Number 6, be more confident. Now, being confident is one of the best qualities that a person can possess. It makes the person feel comfortable in their skin. Confidence frees you from self-doubt or criticizing yourself for not being enough. If you feel that your partner completes you, and alone you are nothing, then you are probably underconfident about yourself and watching too many stupid romantic movies. Well, get real here. Instead of relying on your partner to make you happy and fulfill your need, you have to find the courage to love yourself first. Accept that you're worthy of love, so you don't have to ask or beg for it. The caretaking partner sometimes also has confidence issues. They feel validated and worthy only when they help someone or go overboard for them. Helping your partner and supporting them is good, but forgetting yourself in the process is never okay. Remind yourself that taking care of yourself and doing things that make you happy without your partner is not selfishness. It's actually self-care, and everybody deserves it. So try to feel confident and embrace who you are. Give yourself constant reminders that as difficult as things might have been in the past, your past doesn't define you. It doesn't dictate how your future is going to be, though it might seem like it. Which is why getting help is important. The mistreatment of people and your mistakes, they cannot be undone. But you have the power to change your future and make yourself healthier, and in the process, make your relationship healthier, not just for yourself, but also for your loved ones. Right. So I hope this video made sense to you. If it did, and if you think it's going to help somebody else too, then please feel free to pass it on. In my next video, I am going to talk about the effects of codependent relationship on partners. In the meantime, though, if you are struggling with any issues and so on, just reach out, ask for help. As you know, and I will repeat it, help makes a big difference. So I'll see you in the next video in the series. In the meantime, take it easy, look after yourself, and bye-bye. Thank you.